In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube link not showing thumbnail on WhatsApp. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is update both of your apps. So open up the App Store or Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, update it if there's an update available, search for YouTube, update that one too. And after that, go ahead and open up YouTube and copy the video link again. So we're just going to copy this link right here by hitting share, then hitting copy link. From here, back out and you need to go ahead and open up WhatsApp. So let's just search for WhatsApp real quick. Go to whatever chat it is that you want to put the video in, and essentially just paste that link in there. It'll look something like this for you. Wait a few seconds before sending. If the thumbnail does not appear, you need to reset both apps. Like as you can see, the thumbnail appeared for me, so I wouldn't need to do this. But essentially what you're going to want to do is go ahead and back out, open up your settings, and then you need to go to General right here, and then open up iPhone storage. From here, search up both YouTube and WhatsApp. I'm going to start with YouTube right here, and essentially just go ahead and select Offload App, then reinstall YouTube. And do the exact same thing for WhatsApp. The process is very similar on Android as well. You're just clearing the cache for the apps as well. But essentially, once both apps are cleared and reinstalled, open up, copy that link, paste it into WhatsApp, and boom, as you can see, that thumbnail is loading. That's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.